Excuse me, how much are these?
Those are $7.95.
$7.95, thank you. How tall do they grow?
They're slow growers. It's a vine.
Okay.
But it's a little bit on the slower side. But you should get something. I've had mine for maybe 6 months, but nothing's really happened to it.
Will it grow bigger in the same form, or does it take a different shape?
Oh, it's like a vine, then another heart, a vine, then another heart.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So, sir, while you're doing that, you mind if I pick your brain?
Of course you can.
First of all, what's this plant called?
That is a Sweetheart Hoya.
Sweetheart Hoya.
Yeah.
And Sweetheart Hoya. We've been using this app called Planta.
Oh, fun.
And I'm not sure if you're familiar with it or not.
I've heard of it. I don't have it on my phone.
But it seems like it's kind of like dynamic to where it's asking your location.
My husband wanted to actually download that. It teaches you how to take care of the plant. You can take a photo of it. It has a disease, and it'll show you what to do.
Right, and it tells you what days to mist and water and fertilize. But what we're finding is, and I just try to contact the creator of the app.
Okay.
It seems like it's a day or two off. Would you recommend using these apps, or you just kind of?
I Google stuff.
Right.
I still YouTube stuff.
Okay.
I just kind of go with how I want to go with it because I know how the plants kind of, it sounds so weird.
Right.
I know how the plants kind of speak to me when they need something.
Right.
Just because I'm watching them every single day. I'm making sure they're watered. It's just kind of like treat them like, I don't want to say treat them like your babies, but just kind of like that little instinct of, oh, I got to take care of you today.
Right.
Like that type of thing.
Right.
And then you just Google it and just have fun with it.
Well, with having so many different species and variations, you know, like is like a once a week watering schedule kind of good, or kind of once a week kind of just check the soil?
That's what I do.
Okay.
I just check the soil. Like every 3 or 4 days, I kind of just do this.
Right.
If there's dirt on my finger, I'm good.
Okay.
That type of thing.
Okay.
It also eases my mind too.
Right.
But what I do as well, I use a watering meter stick at home.
Okay.
It's a device that is about 12 inches long. You stick in the dirt and it tells you whether it's wet or dry.
Right.
And if it's wet, just walk away from it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right,
The apps I really don't use that much.
But the apps are good for I guess just information about the plant instead of having to go Google around. Yeah. All your plants are right there in the app maybe.
It's good for the diseases that it might have and the photos as well.
Okay.
And it teaches you how to take care of it as well.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
But I YouTube everything.
Oh yeah.
There's so many plant nerds out there that just make so many videos. It's great.
Right. That's what I'm doing right now, making a video.
That's great, man. Well, perfect.
Is it okay if I use you for the video?
Dude, of course you can.
Okay.
My name's Matthew, by the way.
Matthew. Okay. And I'll
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. And I'll